So, you know how when you're really tired, you just plop down on your bed and suddenly you're recharging your batteries? Well, inductive charging works kinda like that. Here's the deal. Your phone or other device has a little thing called a receiver that's built into it. And then there's another thing called a transmitter that's in the charging pad. When you put your device on the pad, the transmitter sends out an energy field that gets picked up by the receiver in your device. Now, the receiver is really good at catching these magical energy waves, and it starts to convert them into electricity. Just like that, your device is getting charged up without any cords or cables. The charging process begins when an alternating current is passed through a transmitting coil, which generates a magnetic field around it. When a receiving coil is brought close to the transmitting coil, the magnetic field generated by the transmitting coil induces a current in the receiving coil, which is then used to charge the battery of a device. The two coils are usually separated by a few millimeters to prevent interference from other objects. While it may not be as fast as wired charging with direct current, inductive charging is a relatively efficient process, with minimal energy loss compared to wired charging. Of course, the whole thing is a bit more complicated than that. There's some fancy science and technology involved, but that's the basic idea. Inductive charging is like magic, but instead of spells and potions, it uses magnets and electricity to make your devices come back to life.